So in this tutorial we will learn about how to use VS Code shortcuts. We will take a different approach where in the first video you'll learn how to handle VS Code in general with keyboard shortcuts, then how to handle terminal like VS Code terminal, then we will deal with the file structure, then with tab, then movement, then select and replace and edit later. After that we will deal with the setting and some additional commands. Overall we will deal with 60 commands or so. If you know 50, you can handle VS Code with keyboard shortcuts quite easily. However, there are many things like cases where keyboard just doesn't help that much, and that is mostly resizing VS Code window. File structure, I find it quite difficult to deal with it with keyboard shortcut, although you can do, but it's better just to do it with mouse. Other than that, in terms of motions, moving around, I find it sometimes difficult unless you use something like Vim extension, which will be another course later. However, generally movement is a bit difficult only with keyboard in VS Code. It's not that difficult, it's just not very a rich experience. So we'll talk about movement, but I think if you want to include movement, we should learn Vim and use Vim extension with VS Code, or however you want. That will be in another course, as I said. Benefits of learning how to use VS Code shortcuts. It makes you faster, it makes you more productive, it also is just a better developer experience. We will handle VS Code later, we will do Vim. I hope you enjoyed this course.